हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू एड्यूटैप टीचिंग परीक्षा। स्वागत है आपका इंग्लिश की वीडियो में। बज गए हैं 9:30 और मैं आ चुकी हूँ लाइव। सो आशा करती हूँ आप सब लोग बहुत ही अच्छे होंगे और आपकी तैयारी भी बहुत अच्छी चल रही होगी, है ना। रेगुलरली आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं क्योंकि एग्जाम की नोटिफिकेशन कभी भी आ सकती है, राइट। तो आज हम बच्चे करेंगे एरर डिटेक्शन के प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस। अब जो ये टॉपिक है इसमें पूरी ग्रामर का बेसिकली ये निचोड़ है, ठीक है। इसमें आपके आर्टिकल्स, पंक्चुएशंस, प्रेपोजिशंस, कंजंक्शंस, सारी चीजों का इस्तेमाल करके क्वेश्चंस जो हैं फ्रेम किए जाते हैं और एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं, राइट। सो बी रेडी एंड वॉच द होल वीडियो एंड इन केस ऑफ एनी डाउट्स यू कैन लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, राइट। तो चलिए फिर अब स्टार्ट करते हैं इस वीडियो को। एक एक करके क्वेश्चंस करेंगे हम और मैं आपको उनके आंसर्स बताऊंगी, ठीक है जी। So this is your question number 1. I'll just on the laser pointer. Yeah. So what is the question? The company has set of itself some stiff production goals for this year or no error. So when you are just even speaking this out, so you would feel here that set of itself. What do you mean by this wala set of? Set with OFF off has a different meaning which is not going in a correct manner in this particular sentence, because set off basically means that OFF off, set off का मतलब होता है to leave on a journey. So that is why OFF off should not come here and your answer should be option number B. So the statement would go like, the company has set itself some stiff production goals for this year, right? So OFF off has to be removed here. So this way you can just get to know the answer very easily by just being focused and by just knowing the intricacies of the questions and your basics, right? Okay. Question number 2. The former general was exiled off his country because of his part in the plot against the government or no error. Now please look carefully here. Exiled off. What is exiled? First of all, what do you mean by exile? So exile is something when it is a state of being forced to live outside your place, maybe your country, something like that. तो यहाँ पे लिखा है exiled OF off. So that is the wrong part here. Option number B. You will not use off here. We shall replace off with from. So exile from exactly means to expel out of the country. So how the sentence would go? The former general was exiled from his country because of his part in the plot against the government, right? उसको निकाल दिया गया. It's like that. तो इसलिए यहाँ पर off नहीं आएगा, आपका क्या आएगा? From आएगा. All right? Okay. So let us move on to the question number 3. Okay. A terrific hue and cry was raised at a new tax proposal or no error, right? So the answer for this question is option number D, because there is no error in this. ये ऐसे कैसे रहेगा? A terrific hue and cry was raised at the new tax proposal. All right. Let's move on to question number 4. It is greatly to Amit's credit that he gave back the money he found. His honesty does for him credit. Now there is a little error as you can see already यहाँ पर. So option number C में है error, बिल्कुल सही. His honesty does for him credit. ये कुछ नहीं बनी बात, तो ये कैसे हो जाएगा? It should be his honesty does credit for him. So it is just the jumbling of the words here which has to be corrected. So answer क्या हो जाएगा आपका? Option number C. All right. Fifth question is on your screen. The carpet was badly stained to such an extent that you couldn't tell its original color. I don't think so there is any problem in the answer. So it should be D, which is no error, and the sentence is correct, right? Okay. Because of the extenuating circumstances, the court acquitted him out of the crime. The court acquitted him out of the crime. According to me, there should be an error in this part of the sentence. The court acquitted him out of the crime because out जो है यहाँ पर it is not making any sense. ठीक है, acquit of itself means to free from a charge. So out is not making it completely correct. So that is why answer is option number C. Right? Okay. Okay, so question number 7. You will find it difficult to explain of your use of such offensive language or no error. So the erroneous part is option number B, to explain your use. अब देखिए यहाँ पे to explain your use क्यों गलत है, because explain of your use क्यों गलत है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर of is wrongly used. Of की जगह यहाँ आना चाहिए आपका away. Why? Because to explain away means to give an excuse for a wrong action, and since here offensive language is something we're talking about, so obviously that is not an ethical action. तो इसीलिए यहाँ पर क्या आ जाएगा आपका to explain away your use of such offensive language, right? So that will make the statement completely correct. Okay. Okay, so question number 8. It is stupid to go to the expense of taking music lessons if you never practice. Now here practice is with a C, and if you can just understand taking music lessons if you never practice. So we need a practice जो verb का काम करे यहाँ पे, right? So that is practice with S. So practice, practice also it can be called as. So it is a verb. So that will make the statement completely correct here. All right. Question number 9. From the vantage point on the cliff, the children could watch the ships coming and going. So guys, vantage point is not appropriate here because vintage is something which is of classically traditional style kind of a thing. So cliff पे वो बंसी नहीं रही है बात, it should be vantage point because vantage point means a particular position, right? तो क्या हो जाएगा, from their vantage point on the cliff the children could watch the ships coming and going. तो इससे statement आपकी completely क्या बन जाती है, accurate बन जाती है इस तरीके से. All right. I hope you are getting this. In case of any doubt, you're free to post it on discussion forum and we shall get back to you at the earliest. Right? Okay, question number 10. The refugees are badly off for blankets and even worse for food. Now, if we talk about the sentence structure here, you can see it is badly off for blankets. So, clearly it should be even worse. यहाँ पर क्या आना चाहिए आपका off. Even worse off for food. तो इसलिए answer is option number C. Right? Alright, so this is the children are rarely in their element playing on the beach or no error. Now you could feel that there is an error in option number B, rarely in their element. But the answer is option number D, that is no error, and the sentence is correct. Rarely in their element का basically क्या मतलब है, that they are in their most comfortable position, right? So one's element means a situation where one feels comfortable. So that makes it completely correct. Answer is option number D. Alright, so do take care of certain intricacies like this, in the exams. Actually, if you could understand that these kind of questions like error detection, they are actually a gist of what all you have learnt in the English grammar. They can test you on your parts of speech, they can test you on your prepositions or maybe conjunctions, even they can test you on your idioms, phrases. So this is kind of a, precisely a summary of whatever you have learned. तो एक उसका जस्ट है, तो उसी का ही आपका नॉलेज एक तरीके से चेक करता है, राइट? सो इफ यू आर थॉरो विद द कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ ऑल द प्रीवियस कॉन्सेप्ट्स, आई मीन that are a part of English for banking, you shall be able to solve such kind of questions quite easily. And since there are certain new facts like this, like really in their element, you can just jot it down wherever you are making your notes, right? Okay. Okay, so question number 12. When this beautiful girl arrived, all the men in the room gravitated over her. See, now they're checking your preposition here. तो यहाँ पे over नहीं आना चाहिए, right? Gravitated over नहीं होगा. It should be either gravitated to or towards. है ना? कि किसी की तरफ you're attracted or gravitated. So for that we shall be using to or towards instead of over. So answer is option number C. Alright? Okay. Question number 13. The music was so loud that we had to bellow over each other to be heard. Now, this is a phrase, but it has been wrongly used here. It should not be bellow over, it should be bellow at. Why? Because bellow at means to shout loudly to someone, right? That will make option number B as the correct answer to make this statement completely error free, right? Okay. All right, question number 14. In financial matters, it is important to get disinterested advice. This is completely correct. Disinterested क्या होता है? Disinterested basically means that it is not influenced, it is completely fair. It is not influenced by anyone's personal feelings or anything else. It is just fair. So, in financial matters, it is important to get disinterested advice. So, answer is option number D. Right? Okay. Credit cards have brought about a revolution in people's spending habits. I think this is again completely correct. So answer is option number D. And what is brought about? Brought about means to cause or some to cause something to happen. So that is making complete sense here. So answer is option number D. And the statement is error free. Okay, question number 16. A cogent remark compels acceptance because of their sense and logic. Now, what is cogent? First of all, cogent is unbiased, right? And what is remark? You know what is remark, I mean. So, remark के साथ यहाँ पे usage of there is wrong, right? It should not be there, it should be its. So, the sentence will go like this. A cogent remark compels acceptance because of its sense and logic. So, option number C is the correct one here, right? So, I think it is making things clear, and we are practicing exam oriented questions only, so they should help in your preparation overall. Okay, question number 17. He had been saved of death as if by divine intervention. Saved of death is not the correct form. It should be saved from death, right? And not saved of death. So he had been saved from death as if by divine intervention. So answer is option number B. Okay, question number 18. The film was so disjointed that I could not tell you what the story was about. Now, the film, obviously, the person has seen it in the past, but presently baat ho rahi hai. So, could should not come here. It should be can, right? Because the action of telling is taking place in the present. So, that is why answer would be option number B, clearly. So, this could have confused you, but then try to, this is based on the models. So try to clear up your concepts and you will be able to answer such kind of questions with ease. Alright. Okay. Take 2 spoons full of this medicine every 3 hours. So singular क्या होता है इसका? Spoonful है ना? We say it spoonful. But then plural should not be spoonsful, rather it should be spoonfuls. Why? Because full is a suffix here, right? So spoon आपका noun है and noun is in singular number. तो इसलिए यहाँ पे s लग जाएगा आपका. This is an exception, quite an exception. So answer is option number A, right? Okay, so question number 20. Some women admit that their principal goal in life is to marry a wealthy man. Now, this principle is not suitable here because we are talking about their main goal or their chief goal in life. तो वो कौन सा होता है आपका? Principal, ये वाला, ठीक है? So answer is option number B, right? Okay. 2 years passed since my cousin died. Now here it is since also here. So this is clearly the case of present perfect tense. तो यहाँ पर आना चाहिए 2 years have passed, right? So it should be 2 years have passed since my cousin died. So that makes the answer option number A. I could not answer to the question. Now ये to यहाँ पर wrongly used है, हम simple बोलते हैं I could not answer the question. So to has to be removed to make it completely correct. So answer is option number B, right? Okay, the farmer is irrigating his field since morning. Now is का यहाँ पे गलत यूजेज है, यहाँ पे क्या आना चाहिए the farmer has been irrigating. Why? Because it is the case of perfect continuous tense and that is why यहाँ पर आपका is नहीं आएगा, it should be has been irrigating because ing form भी है यहाँ पर. So it makes the answer option number A. Okay, question number 25. The lady was broken with grief when she heard the sad news of the train disaster in which her brother was killed. Now please note that was is wrongly used here because this is past perfect tense, right? And in such a case we always use had been. So it should be in which her brother had been killed, right? Because past perfect है, तो इसीलिए आपका आंसर क्या हो गया ऑप्शन नंबर सी. Okay, question number 26. I informed the principal that I was having running temperature and therefore could not attend the meeting. So it should be having a running temperature यहाँ पे, ठीक है? So answer is option number B, right? Okay. The monk loved riding and hunting and refused to conform by rules and regulations of the ancient monastic order. Now, this conform means to obey a rule or law, right? तो obey होता है इसका मतलब. यहाँ पर by नहीं आएगा, फिर it should be either to or with. To conform to rules and regulations of the ancient monastic order. So answer is option number B, right? Okay, so question number 28. Both he as well as his friend worked in close harmony on the same project. Now we know that both or as well as do not gel well together. So since we have used both here, तो यहाँ पर हम and use करेंगे. So both he and his friend worked in close harmony on the same project. So answer is option number A. Okay, second last question. I have lived from the hand to the mouth for all these 50 years, though nobody knows it. Now we know that this is a phrase. So from the hand to the mouth नहीं होता है, it should be from hand to mouth, right? Because यहाँ पर the का कोई भी काम नहीं है. So answer is option number B, right? Okay, last question. I can't help to sneeze as I got drenched yesterday and have a bad cold. So यहाँ पर it should be have got a bad cold to make it completely correct. So answer is option number C and have got a bad cold, right? तो क्या बन जाएगी statement? I can't help to sneeze as I got drenched yesterday and have got a bad cold. Okay, so this is the end of this video and I hope that you have understood it well. And in case of any more queries, you can mail us or write to us in the discussion forum. We'll try our best to get back to you as soon as possible. And thank you so much for bearing with us in these critical times. EduTap will always try to serve our students, the aspirants, at the its maximum utility. Right? Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.